Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So the error statement will state there was a problem with the clipboard, and this will occur while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to close any instances or processes of Microsoft Excel on our Windows. But before I can go on with that, make sure that you have saved all your work in the Microsoft Excel, and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr. Click on task manager under the best match. Maximize the task manager window. Here in the search bar, type Excel. You'll find Microsoft Excel. Simply make a right click and then you have to select End Task. So once you click on End Task, that will completely close the Microsoft Excel processes on your Windows. And after that, you just need to open your spreadsheet again. And for the next method is we can just simply restart Microsoft Excel. So while you are on your Microsoft Excel, make sure to save your document and then close this window and then search for Excel in the Windows search bar. In this way, you are restarting Microsoft Excel. So try restarting because sometimes it will help fix the issue even if it is just a simple fix. And for the next method, we can also use the open and repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in Microsoft Excel. Click on the file tab at the top left corner, select open, then you'll find browse. Now choose your spreadsheet, click on this drop down arrow next to open, and you'll find this option open and repair, and simply click on this repair button. For the next method, we can also disable the Excel add-ins because sometimes add-ins can cause issues or problems on your Microsoft Excel. Now click on the file tab again at the top left corner. Then you have to select this option, more. Click on options. Then you have this add-ins. Click on that. Then you have to click on this drop-down arrow next to manage. Choose Excel add-ins, click on go, and make sure that you uncheck these boxes right here to disable the Excel add-ins and click on OK. And close out of here. Then we can also clear the clipboard history of our window. So press the Windows key and the V key together for the shortcut and simply click this button right here, clear all. And that will clear your clipboard history, and after that just open the spreadsheet and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.